Okay, so we've got kind of a hard one today. So if you can see, this customer needs a slab flattened, but we've got kind of a pretty big gap right there. And we've got it kind of everywhere. Now this one's definitely gonna be a tough one to work with, but I think we can get this customer situated and hopefully flatten without losing too much. Now, I think we're gonna have to patch this area in here somewhere. I've got kind of an idea on how to do it, but we will see how good that idea actually works. But before we actually get started, I need to clean this dust collector. Not the most fun job in the world. Oh, this is disgusting. I don't understand why this sucks. So like this design, not the smartest in the world, but I guess that's what you get for shopping at Harbor Freight. It would help if I turned the machine on. Freaking idiot. All right, let's see what this does. So I just realized it's actually burning the wood, so that means we've got a bad blade, which means I need to replace the blades. Okay, so these are the old blades that I need to get rid of, and we're gonna replace them with these new blades, so let's do it.